Alright guys, welcome back to Deep South Bayou Diesel. Have some wonderful news. So I replaced my glow plug module and my injector harness. This one I bought. This one was made in Germany, so I don't know if that's supposed to be like a great thing or not. But if you can hear the vehicle idling, it's nice and smooth. And I do still have one injector acting out. It's just the cylinder 3. So it is back to telling me that that one's not working correctly again. Idling sounds great, but let's just take it up the road. I do have low fuel, so hopefully I don't run out, but I am sitting on the red E. We're just gonna go up the road and back. We're not going very far, so if I do break down, I'll just come back, get my 7.3 and just pull this 6.0 back home. My wife actually had to come get me a couple weeks back because the 6.0 lost its drive belt. And I'll tell you one thing, that 7.3 didn't even know that this 6.0 was back there. See, I can hear the dead miss when I slowly accelerate. But let's see what happens when it goes back to idling smoothly. See, before, when I first got this truck with the original harness, so this is the third harness that I've put on here. Or no, I'm sorry, the second harness that I've put on here. So you have the original factory that started giving trouble. And then I had the one I bought, just a cheapie. The seller was a great guy though, because he did refund me my money when I explained to him my issues. Alright, whoa. But yeah, like I said, I explained to the seller what was going on, and because he didn't have any more in stock, he just refunded my money. So that was awesome. Whoa. This thing's trying to get squirrely. That down there is because of me. But we're not going to go all the way down there with being under the red, because I don't feel like walking that far back. If I have to walk, I'd rather have to walk a short distance. I walked all day today. You know, work was grueling. It wasn't too bad, but it was a little grueling. See, now it's starting to idle a little funny. Idle with that miss. But not that big of a deal. Alright, let's get on back to the house. Holy shit. Oh boy. This thing's got a little giddy up with this new harness. Alright. I like it. Oh yeah. Now I can give my 7.3 a break. and just start taking this back and forth to work again until I'm done working on my bike. Check out my other channel to check out the status of my bike. That's Outlaw Bayou Rider, for those that don't know about that channel. Jeez. Okay. Yeah, so I feel like all I need to do is replace the number 3 injector, and I'll be in business. So it was the previous wiring harness that was not allowing the number 8 injector to work properly. And excuse me, I work with a bunch of guys, so we belch all day and we don't say excuse me, but I know that my entire audience is not all guys, so I don't mean to be disrespectful to anyone in my audience, really. But anyway, yeah, man, I am super elated with how this turned out. The seller on eBay is going to get high remarks. Nothing's overheating. I don't want to take it back out again, because let's zoom in. Yeah, that's under the E. So I really don't want to take that chance and get out there, get stranded, and have to waste a whole bunch of fuel, because I'm just about at a quarter of a tank, and I'm supposed to get paid tomorrow night. Tomorrow's Tuesday. I love the way the company pays us. So it's before midnight Wednesday that they're paying us. And I think that the reason this truck is stumbling is because I'm running out of fuel. But let's take a look at the health. Let's do a health scan. Let's see here, health report. We got 3 codes. That's all that we hear. I'm not worried about the EGR. You know, it says circuit low, and that's because the EGR it's deleted. But anyway, the cylinder 3 contribution balance, that's that's great. That's all I'm worried about. Let's shut it off. On, because I don't feel like having to put a lot of work into trying to put some more fuel back in here, get the air out of the lines and all that jazz. There we go. So I've actually got my phone plugged in, as you can see, because I guess those glow plugs tried to engage, as hot as it is. But anyway, I do believe that I have a problem with my engine harness. I mean, it is original. This is an 06. This truck's almost 20 years old. So next year it will be a 20-year-old truck, 2026. So I do need to consider replacing it. It's probably old and cracked, but I've got a new the glow plug module's new, the glow plugs are new, the glow plug harness is new. I'm just guessing that I have issues with the wiring harness, like the main wiring harness. But let's do a let's exit. Let's listen to the injectors and see if number 8 will work. I don't care about any of the others. I just want to hear if number 8 is going to engage, because that's the one I recently had issues with, and I thought that I lost number 8, but I don't think that's the case. I think that I just had issues with the harness, which is what I just replaced. But anyway, let's listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, they all are electronically working, but because I'm getting the cylinder 3 contribution balancing, I think that the mechanical portion of it no longer works. So I am going to replace that here in the near future. This week I'm planning on replacing the standpipe and dummy, buying the standpipe and dummy plugs. I'm not opening that valve cover twice. I'm going to open it once and be done with it. But I'm hoping that now with this harness, all I have to do is just replace the number 3 injector and be done with it, and this truck will run like a top. But as always, guys, there will be more to come. Thanks for watching. Later, Gators.